Holy Cross Home Science College, Thoothukudi, is happy to deliver you this presentation on the Life Skill Camp organized for 2 days, 5th and 6th March 2021. The main purpose of the Life Skill Camp on the theme Make the Change is to impart views to empower the youth with adequate skill sets that will enable their employment in relevant sectors and also improve productivity and to enable individuals to deal effectively with the demand and changes of everyday life. Assertiveness without aggressiveness is a skill of immense value for adolescents. The Life Skill Camp was inaugurated by Dr. S. Guru Vasuki, Assistant Professor of Education, V.O. Chidambaram College of Education, Thoothukudi. The session 1 was handled by Dr. S. Guru Vasuki, Assistant Professor of Education, V.O. Chidambaram College of Education, Thoothukudi. The topic was on Focus to be Productive. The session provided opportunities for the reinforcement of existing positive behavior and strengthened the life skills that will enable young people to protect them from and to cope with risky situations they would encounter in their lives. The session 2 was on financial literacy, loans for startup. Mr. P. Dhanaraj, Managing Partner, Green Star Packaging Company and Joint Secretary, Tudiccia, Thoothukudi. The session was about the startup business loans, shorter term startup loans for a new business. It does not require any collateral and one can avail up to INR 50 lakhs of unsecured business loans. The session also discussed about the documentation required to avail a startup business loan without too many hassles. Skill Training Program. This was the highlight of the Life Skill Camp. It went on from March 1st to 5th of the year 2021. The main objective is to enable our students to take up industry relevant skill training that will help them in securing a better livelihood. Individuals with prior learning experience or skills, especially our alumni, were the trainers of the skill development program such as baking, food processing, beautician, art from waste, soap making, bag making, doll making.
In the evening, the culture program was organized with a view of inculcating cultural competence in students, which is a lifelong process of increasing self-awareness, developing social skills and behaviors around diversity, and helps in gaining the ability to advocate for others. Dr. M. Shankar, Assistant Professor, Department of History, V.O. Chidambaram College, Thoothukudi, organized the program. Dr. Shankar and their team gave various cultural programs like Parayatam, Oilatam, Mailatam, Poikal Kudirayattam, and other folk dances in order to save Tamil culture.
The day 2, 6th March 2021. The first session was handled by Dr. A. Malathi, Assistant Professor, PG and Research Department of Computer Science, Government Arts College, Coimbatore. The session was about life skill enhancement. The session contributed to basic education, gender equality, democracy, good citizenship, child care and protection, quality and efficiency of the education system, the promotion of lifelong learning, quality of life, the promotion of peace.
Session 2. Dr. M. J. Kumar, Head of Computer Application, Sri Ramakrishna Mission Vidyalaya College of Arts and Science Company and Commander, Tamil Nadu Home Guard, Coimbatore, talks on the topic Self-Defensive Mechanism. The session was an interactive educational methodology that are not only focused on transmitting knowledge but also aimed at shaping attitudes and developing interpersonal skills. The main goal of the session was to enhance young people's ability to take responsibility for making healthier choices, resisting negative pressures, and avoiding risk behaviors. In session 3, Mrs. D. Priyadarshini, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, Sri Narayana Guru College, Coimbatore, talked on the topic Transforming Power to Efficiency. The session has imparted the following effects: how to lessen violent behavior, how to increase pro-social behavior, and how to decrease negative self-destructive behavior, how to increase the ability to plan ahead and choose effective solutions to problems, how to improve self-image, self-awareness, social and emotional adjustment, how to increase acquisition of knowledge, how to improve classroom behavior, gains in self-control, and how to handle interpersonal problems and coping with anxiety, and how to improve constructive conflict resolution with peers, impulse control, and popularity. The day ended with a cultural program by Dr. T. Erwin Victoria, playback singer, and Vijay TV super singer. Contestant organized a concert to emphasize the importance of cultural competence and related skills, which is essential in today's workplace. 180 participants from 2nd PG and 3rd UG students got benefited by attending this program. In particular, Principal and Secretary Dr. Sister Mary Gilda and Vice Principal Mrs. C. Satyalakshmi was the unstinted support for this program. The Life Skill Committee members Dr. Angeline Priya, Head Department of English, Mrs. G. Maria Delicia Helena, Head Department of Commerce, and Dr. Jayamala, Department of Tamil, and Mrs. Anbu Mary, Physical Director, executed and brought out this program successfully. Totally, 180 participants from 2nd PG and 3rd UG students got benefited by attending this program. In particular, Principal and Secretary Dr. Sister Mary Gilda and Vice Principal Mrs. C. Satyalakshmi was the unstinted support for this program. The Life Skill Committee members Dr. Angeline Priya, Head Department of English, Mrs. G. Maria Delicia Helena, Head Department of Commerce, and Dr. Jayamala, Department of Tamil, and Mrs. Anbu Mary, Physical Director, executed and brought out this program successfully. Thank you.